la mina lama Nimano, but the day lama was a dog sure of me there, cutting Jimmy Conner. The Gunda Marnie to come to dinner, but the day lama was a dog hinger be me there, the drum. Nimano, wrong sure on the method, Femana died, wrong the day lama to some consequently don't get. Years on the daily store on the Cheva for our last of us. Here, Rangi Chang and Parcella, so Kono, you got it. That is Sorata was already universally. This is
So, in this way, in the daytime, then visualizing the Guru in above your head, about 1 cubit length, and whole complete visualization that. As it is said in these verses that as we chant at the end of the Guru Yoga practice, and then when we are sleeping, then visualize the Guru, one's Guru in the jasa at the heart, just resting on the lotus and moon seat in this way, and then just in the daytime. When you visualize the Guru above your head, then just it is the object of supplication of prayers, and then also one can do the offerings, and also it can be witness of what practice and how you are maintaining your practice. In that way, one can just concentrate and then carry through the actual practice of the Guru Yoga.
Nangate lama jigilom chero sio ne gomso lama tegi lama tamenge gato jeres tene lama tegi koron lami geni ya gomso ngi kosores de koron zaza gomres ina koron no ade lama bo le tamme gandi de koron du melo ndendu du malo kanga mo chare. Then Lama said, will a time go gossip, I changed to undo the Karishakers, hearers, they didn't go anymore.
So, when we say that visualize the Guru above one's head, but in general, one should not misunderstand that one time that there is one Lama and then disciple, and the Lama told just visualize Guru on the head. So then he just understood in a wrong way, and he started visualizing himself on the just Guru's head. And unfortunately, Guru was a bolt, and then as he just visualized to sit on that, since it is kind of very slippery, and he just sleeps always. And then one day he reported to Guru that it is, you don't have any hairs on your head, you are completely bald. It is very difficult for me to sit on there.
La mia volta c'era un colore c'era delle mie pazienti le sale ngoto meno tanti nandi nella ciao c'era tanto gli sale sono.
So then Lama said, I know that why I have all this headache and this eye sickness. You have been doing kind of wrong visualization in that way, that it is just really just a kind of misunderstanding. So anyway, all the Dharma teachings that one should not misunderstand, one have to understand in a proper way, and moreover, whatever kind of just concepts, thoughts are arising, don't follow after it.
Control Deba Yishin Lama Rangitai Lama number 2 Sonji Pindi Don in some Tenile Sorata, Desi address.
So we that we carry through the practice of having the devotion towards the triple gem, and also that the Guru as the contents of all the all the Buddhas. In that way, oneself doing the supplication prayer, and then just devotion. In that way, one have to carry through the practice.
Me nyangla, ndi chadon ndi mihira mesores. Yaka chaba paondi sason de tekin nasar meto man do this year of Messiah Yamas, 10 on Messiah, not all Messiah native, but Zombo shake it and shake it.
So, once the human being's mind, that all different kinds of concepts or thoughts, that there is no anything certain that this kind of thought arises and this kind of thought may not arise. It is just all different kind of thoughts are possible to give rise. For example, like in the summer, when they are having all this kind of rainfalls, then all different kinds of trees and leaves and flowers and poisons and all different kinds of just green things are just growing. Similar like that, there is the possibility that we could give rise to many different kinds of concepts. So the Dharma practice is that how we could just lessen the concept, just to control and to try to just dissolve all the thought. The Dharma practice is not meant to just create more thoughts. And if we follow after the concept or thoughts, then one thought after another thought just creates and it follows on and on, that it becomes just limitless. So when we just carry through the Dharma practice, and then we see that how these thoughts are just arising, and then if one follow after these thoughts one after another, then that is just the fault of the practice. And as just the thoughts are just arising, and in the normal life, although that these thoughts are just constantly arising, but we become so busy that we even don't know how much thoughts are arising in this way. And for example, like a business person that is just thinking, how I will just sell all these kind of things, this way or that way, and just thinking over and over, there is also no limit. So in this way, all any of these 5 poisonous afflicted minds are similar like that. And even one helps somebody who to consider as an enemy, and then thinking that how I can just subdue this, and then thinking over and over, there is still no limit of the thoughts. So as yesterday explained about the cause and effect of the karma, that which is known as the action of mental action, and then the thought action. So that the mental action in a way just creating all these kind of thoughts and just over and over, that which is just create some kind of just karma. And then when that thoughts become much stronger and very concrete, then one just really carry through some kind of physical action, then again just create that kind of just karma. One time that just one lama that who have some wealth, and then somehow there were just some enemies or just robbers who just robbed him for a while, and then he thought that there is no essence, there is no use of being just collecting all this, and then he just decided to go to a isolated place to carry through practice. And then in that way he just carried through practice for a while, for many years. So the Lama just do a practice like we say chudur, the water offering, water, and then the like a thermos offering, have a container, and then put the water, and then some kind of grains and all this, and then there are a whole bunch of chantings, and then at the end just throw it away.
The chudur the tabar no the siro the puri mombo the samite to sitaba.
So then when that Lama threw all this kind of grain outside, then there happened lots of pigeons every time coming to eat those grains.
The body movement the Lama goes not to John. And I mom and the region of the net that the thousand there is morning this journey.
And then when Lama just saw so many pigeons are just eating the grain, just lots of number, and then Lama instantly just created a thought, if I have this much, army, that I would just subdue the enemy.
Then there's some son of Mombo, Moboton, Goji, then Lama Nemuba Cherry Drone, then Chino Mapa, then Turkish Memombo Dogonse Maji, then the Shivadres.
And then in that way, just Lama kind of got that as an idea, and then started just thinking over and over, and then he thought maybe this is possible, and then he gave up the practice and went to the city, town, and then he started just talking with people and started collecting many peoples. So in this way, if one just create all this kind of thought, and then based on the thought, one also just create that karma.
Zombo
Even that is kind of just a positive thought. Even then, one should not just run after it.
Lama tanti tam druban te yang le chen de zamti le kandroma mombo on lama le nyang hong le ter de tension to ter dancing de nyang hong yong gres.
And many lamas, when they just carry through practice, then they could have certain kind of experience that a whole bunch of dakinis comes and then explain to Lama, or there is a treasure that you need to rebuild it out.
Zamti le cherong le pe le zombo kandroma pe mas de do de cherong don reva chen cherong pe mao ban ya bo chosa de long teng se yong gres.
And sometimes also there happens that ignorant experiences that just the dakinis just kind of prophesize, or there is just accomplished dakini who can be just your consort, and if you be just together with this, you could accomplish lot of dharma activities. So these kind of just experiences, in one way it thinks something good, but actually it is just an obstacle that which is called like a dakinis obstacle.
When you could not call it Lama Mombo, Lama Tachi, actually, don't remote in Tanimani, something longer than Dolly, or Dubaj Lama Nidu.
And one time there is the great master known as the Nyushu Lungto, and he have a whole bunch of disciples. Among them, one of the best disciple or the student who just about 2 days distance place, he was just been there for just doing a retreat.
Kandomaki loan then Seron dead and they land do dead the land of St. Philippe Tosa. Oh, then they say Kandomaki loan, yawning all the time to this.
And then as he was doing his practice for a while, and then sometimes he having this experience that the Dakin is kind of like predicting to him that, oh, there is just a treasure that if you could rebuild out this, that you could benefit lots of sentient beings. In this way, that Dakin is just prophesied him several times.
So in
the beginning that he thought, oh, this is like a kind of obstacle, and he didn't really just didn't care for that. And then it has been just happening constantly, and then he thought, I need to just ask my Lama, and then about 2 days, distance, he went to see Lama.
They called Lama use Lama Gonda go under now, to 10 hours, go on, Gonda Pendugiers.
And then when he arrived there, his Lama was just doing circumambulation to that place, in the evening, and he saw in this way. And then he was just coming to see Lama, and Lama was just circumambulating, and instantly they met there. And Lama just instantly told, and without being explained anything to Lama, Lama said, oh, that is an obstacle, that is an obstacle. So then he also thought, oh, this is just obstacle, and then he went back and then started just continue his practice.
And then
So in this way, there are all these kind of just obstacles that which might arise as a experience. So this is out of 4 devils or the demons. Among them, this is a kind of the just devil which one get confused with the experiences. So it is also difficult to even differentiate whether it is an obstacle or not. And other devils or the just demons as afflicted mind, and the affliction itself is a demon, and then the the death, which is also just a demon or devil. These if we just do the practice, dharma practice. And this practice we could just get rid through the practice, dharma practice, but the obstacle of in form of experiences, it is very difficult to get rid of it.
Tata Generation, the Garissa Greco, Yapolo, the Lunten, they don't land there in number of 10 moments, 10 days, do him as
and sorts of a experience that just one thing, or one could see the meditational deity, or then just predictions from the Buddhas or the deity, and having all these kind of just visions. These are that some are just obstacles, so it is difficult to just judge.
Iran is like on that thing and the governor, the Deacon do your Dele Mayo as in Temples in do your
So mainly what we are concentrating on this Dharma practice is that to attain ultimate enlightenment, and for that purpose what we need is the actual Dharma practice and the meditations that which we need to concentrate on.
Now to caress on our this manually, did the Yapona on our Teba Mugis.
And whatever kind of just good thoughts or bad thoughts just arise, one should not just chase after it, and even something kind of positive thoughts or visions, then cultivate the devotion and then just leave it there. And one need to stabilize one's mind based on that practice, then there is no much difficulty. And sometimes that when one just do the practice, there could to just experience kind of blissful experiences. And that also, if we just have attachment or just grasping over, then again that it is just a mistake. And sometimes there would happen like a experience of clarity, that wherever one could just look and one could see or understand.
At
that time, if one think, oh, this is just now I am having some kind of realization and this is very good, and if one have attachment, then it is also just become a obstacle. And sometimes that there are experiences known as thoughtless, and wherever one abides, it seems like one could abide in the emptiness without any disturbance. And then one think that, oh, now I have just a thoughtless meditation or without any thought, then thinking that I have a realization and got attached to it, then those are just the obstacles. It is not really stabilize anything. So when one have certain kind of experiences, then one just think, oh, this is the just blessing of the Guru and the Buddha Dharma Sangha, and then just cultivate that devotion and then maintain the practice. And when I was very young, when I'm just staying with my teacher and doing the practices, that even I could see just many meditational deities. And these 8 Heruka deities and then the Vajrakilaya deities just appeared in that way. So I asked to my Lama. And then Lama told me that you just cultivate the devotion and inclination and receive the empowerment, and then don't run after it and just leave it. So similar like that, if one just carry through practice, most of the time, there are all these kind of just obstacles can possibly arise. And you all, in a way, just when you have some kind of experience or thought, then just running after it, kind of just you enjoy in that way. And when that is being just grasped through kind of dualistic thought, then oneself is not in the path itself.
zombo inanda, ngamba inanda, not to jire majes.
So anyhow, whether it is a good thought or bad thought, don't just chase after the thoughts.
Tata tena ngay hiyan diya di, chirong so hopes hiya di datra mitunda mumbo rendu, degi pa sebo hiya.
So this, I'm just explaining this because that sometimes just in a short way, instantly explain to you, then you are not understanding. So that is why just kind of specifically explaining to you. So these thoughts or the just sorts of like experience, that various kind of numerous kind will happen.
Nga burn community ki double burn is jagana yong it is dedi ngale tende tese te don drating and ro re ji ji ni ji seng mo bo song.
So when the time when the communists came to Tibet and when I was almost just leaving, at that time also I hear many just sounds that saying, oh, you need to leave or you do this, something different kind of just expressions. And but whatever I hear, I didn't just really care at all. And some maybe that I did some mistakes. So at that time when the Dharma protectors, when they are just expressing something, and if I have left at that moment, maybe I don't have so much problem and difficulty at that time. So anyhow, that whatever kind of just good thoughts or bad thoughts, whatever just it happens, I don't usually just chase after them. And that is just not only just me, that it is the just instruction of all the past lamas that how to follow.
When I say lama chotur mochi, kong kona yembiti so travaji depa sunde ya re mabuchi bin depende hires.
So one time that my master Choktu Rinpoche, when he was very young, and then one monk just brought a piece of cloth and asked him that can you just do a just note, blessing note. And then this Rinpoche that he just took the piece of cloth and then threw into the fire. And then that ashes, he just took it from the fire, and then he ate it, and then after that he just pulled it out, and then the thread come out with the notes. And that note already just been did in his mouth.
Then he called Flatter Moji, Flatter Moji, children Moji, they didn't know Lama the Japo.
And then just that monk was so excited and was so very happy. And then he took that and he went to see other Lama, that Choktu Rinpoche, and he told to him, oh, Choktu Rinpoche is just doing amazing things. And at that time, the Ladu Rinpoche was the just root master of the Choktu Rinpoche. And then Ladu Rinpoche, the master, called the Choktu, who is just young, and then he just scolded him. And then he just told that from today onward you cannot do like this.
Karesana Lama didn't say to then on the Parshe Mumbo Yongi as a race.
So,
They go.
so this is because that if one does in that way, there are just lots of obstacles for one's actual dharma activities. So that is why it was just kind of prohibited. And if we are just we would think, oh, this is something just wonderful, and we don't think this is something obstacle.
So
that sort of thing, if one just do it several times, then naturally there also happens lots of obstacles. So as I explained earlier, that whatever just kind of good or positive or negative thoughts may arise, you don't just chase after it. That in the human minds there is no anything that that kind of thought would not arise. Similar like just in the summer, that on the soil there is all different kinds of things are growing. So whatever that thoughts may just arise, that if something is kind of positive, then you have just devotion and inclination, and then don't chase after it. And we have just kind of like a saying that if someone is just very rich, then just wears a cloth kind of very simple one. And just a person who is kind of very poor, and then just pretend to wear very nice good clothes. And that Tibetan saying that whether somebody is rich or poor, we can just see through that their clothes. So similar like that, those who have all this kind of just the experiences and visions and realization really don't care for anything what it happens. And those who don't have any experience and visions and realization at all before, and then little bit tiny things happen, and then one becomes so excited and joy, and then expressing everything. So one should not do in this way. And even like just accumulating the Avalokiteshvara mantra Om Mani Padme Hum, and then just even one finish like 100,000 times, and then say, oh, I have finished 100,000 times. And then holding the mantra mala and just say, I have finished this much, this 100,000 times. So that is also a kind of mistake. And just something that one have accumulated, just expressing to other, and that just kind of like showing off, and that does not that just disturbs the accumulation of merit. So that is why that kind of like show off sorts of practice, one should not do it. So this now I hope that you have understood in something in general.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah,
so now today that Ngondo students are receiving the teaching. So rest the Thalung and then the Dzogchen practitioners, you can just leave.